Hi, my name is Brett. I've been working at Belview Floorcare since 2018. My job at Belview Floorcare is I'm the carpet and tile and grout technician. I also go and do a bunch of quotes. What I enjoy most about my job would be customer satisfaction and making a good connection. What sets us apart for other cleaning companies is our attention to detail that we provide for the customer and our work ethic. One thing I enjoy about coming into work every day would be the flexible time that I have. So I kind of make it my own schedule while working with the customer. Working with Dave is very enlightening. He has the correct systems in place that will allow you to succeed. Why I would recommend other people to come over to join our team at Belview Floorcare is the amazing opportunities that are available and the advancement opportunities that are also available.